Google accounts for 92.47% of the global web traffic, making it a hub for businesses looking to grab their customers' attention. Without much knowledge, companies may struggle to acquire leads in business. However, brands can integrate multiple digital marketing services into their strategy. In this video we discuss the two most prominent digital marketing services, SEO versus PPC. To help businesses decide between PPC and SEO, we break down their pros and cons, starting with SEO. SEO offers the following benefits to businesses. Number 1. Raises brand awareness. Comprehensive SEO optimization through quality website content improves search engine rankings. Number 2. Establishes credibility. Websites appearing on the top of search results are more trustworthy than the bottom ones. Besides the position, organic search engine results can also be more trustworthy than PPC ads. This leads to increased backlinks from trusted sites, which are highly favored by search engines. Number 3. Cost effectiveness. Brands don't need to pay search engines for visibility. In the long run, it may be cheaper than PPC as you don't have to spend money consistently to see results. SEO Cons. Number 1. Fierce competition. There are endless businesses vying for the top position, making the competition to make it to the first page fierce. Number 2. Constantly changing algorithm. Search engine algorithms continuously change, and keeping up with them requires professional third-party SEO services. Also, maintaining that position, once you get there, is not guaranteed. Brands may have to redo the entire strategy from scratch due to algorithm evolution. Unlike PPC, you can't pay search engines to rank the highest. Number 3. Time-consuming. While SEO is free, it may take time as it requires crawling, indexing, and identifying the website as trustworthy before showing results. PPC Pros. Number 1. Reaches target audience. Personalizing Google Ads to reach your target audience is a core PPC ad benefit. This helps target a specific consumer group and increases brand visibility so that your audience sees your ads before your competitors. Number 2. Targets diverse funnel stages. PPC allows the creation of different content types, which meets every audience segment such as blog posts, guides, or case studies. Each customer segment can be targeted most effectively. Number 3. Overall control. PPC ads can be highly versatile, based on assets like targeted geography, call to action buttons, links to the site, and pricing. Likewise, your users can be directed anywhere you desire. Number 4. Measurable growth. As soon as the ad goes live, you can see the results by seeing it on top of the SERPs and later gauge the revenue generated by paid ads. Number 5. Boosts sales. As PPC ads show results as soon as they go live, it instantly boosts sales compared to SEO strategies. PPC Cons. Number 1. Can be costly. Initially, it requires spending without creating revenue. In the later stages, it requires constant investment, meaning that ads stop once investment stops. PPC costs may vary based on the keyword. The ranking of the keywords depends on the keywords you bid on. The factors are quality and relevance and the landing page the visitors are directed to. Competitive keywords can cost hundreds of dollars, whereas low bids can lead you to miss the top spot. Bidding on the right keyword requires monitoring its performance regularly. A quick tip is to aim for a strong quality score for your PPC to be cost-effective. Number 2. Might not lead to sales automatically. You can drive leads to the website, but that doesn't mean that those leads may purchase from you. The PPC ads may merely focus on creating leads, while conversions aren't guaranteed. Taking a step back, not everyone will click on your ad either. If an ad is run for too long, it will lose its spark and people may ignore it. In the future, users might use ad blockers so that they are not bombarded again. Instead, focus on personalizing ads to reach out to your customers effectively. Number 3. Requires skills. Since PPC costs money with every click while also being a promising medium to promote an offering, it is crucial for professionals to execute the task. In either case, opting for A/B testing may help substantially to assess the best performing assets, such as content, CTAs, images, and more. This improves ad performance and drives increased sales. SEO and PPC strategies are used to boost sales, nurture leads, and increase online awareness. Initially, it is important to define your goals and figure out the option that works for you. Each strategy may also create different results. Figuring out which strategy to choose boils down to your needs and weighing the pros and cons we've listed above. Ultimately, you are not limited to having only one strategy. You can combine SEO and PPC to help you achieve the best of both worlds.